I'm going to give you two sentences. I like Hyderabad a lot. I would like to go there again. Now the question is, in terms of meaning, is there a similarity between like and would like? The answer is no. Basically, would like is the polite and formal version of want. Here we have 5 pairs of sentences. As you can see, the A sentences have want, whereas in the B sentences I have replaced them with would like. Let's go through these sentences together and then decide which one sounds more polite. I want to go there. I would like to go there. Do you want a window seat? Would you like a window seat? I'll play the guitar and I want you to play the flute. I'll play the guitar and I would like you to play the flute. I want to thank our guest speaker. I would like to thank our guest speaker. I want a black coffee, please. I would like a black coffee, please. It's pretty obvious that the B sentences sound more polite. And you know what's interesting? In both 5A and 5B we have please, but still 5A does not sound polite. In addition, 5B teaches us we can make a polite request using would like. I would like a glass of water, please. I would like to book a seat for tonight's performances. I would like you to buy something for me, please. I would like this wall painted by today. I hope the explanation, the examples, everything was easy to understand. Still, if you have queries, you can always ask me in the comments section. I would like to hear from you. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.